Ever feel like your money's playing a game of hide and seek, and you're always the one who's it? You get paid, blink, and suddenly, it's all gone. You're left wondering, where did it all go? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. We've all been there. It's that sinking feeling of financial chaos, the constant worry about bills, and the nagging suspicion that you're just not in control. But what if I told you there's a way to actually see where your money is going, to take back that control, and even start planning for the future? That's where YNAB, or You Need a Budget, comes in. Now, YNAB isn't just another budgeting app, it's a philosophy, a methodology, a whole new way of thinking about your money. So, what's so special about YNAB? What makes it different from all the other budgeting tools out there? First, it's the 4 rules. Forget rigid, restrictive budgets that make you feel like you're on a diet. YNAB's 4 rules are about giving every dollar a job, embracing your true expenses, rolling with the punches, and aging your money. Let's break that down. Rule 1. Give every dollar a job. This isn't about just tracking expenses, it's about assigning a specific purpose to every single dollar you have. Every penny gets a designated task, whether it's paying rent, saving for a vacation, or building an emergency fund. This clarity eliminates the mystery money problem. Rule 2. Embrace your true expenses. Think beyond the immediate bills. What about car maintenance? Holiday gifts? That annual subscription you always forget about? YNAB encourages you to anticipate these less frequent but inevitable expenses and budget for them proactively. This prevents those unexpected costs from derailing your financial plans. Rule 3. Roll with the punches. Life happens. Unexpected expenses pop up, plans change. That's okay. YNAB empowers you to adjust your budget as needed, moving money between categories to adapt to new realities. This flexibility is crucial because, let's face it, life rarely sticks to a script. Rule 4. Age your money. This is the game changer. It's about breaking the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. The goal is to get to a point where you're spending money you earned at least 30 days ago. This buffer gives you breathing room and reduces financial stress. You're not just reacting to your finances, you're planning ahead. But it's not just the rules. YNAB emphasizes a proactive approach. It encourages you to be mindful of your spending and to make conscious choices about how you allocate your resources. It's about shifting your mindset from reactive to proactive, from feeling overwhelmed to feeling empowered. The community is another huge plus. YNAB has a passionate and supportive community of users who share tips, tricks, and encouragement. If you're struggling, you're not alone. There are countless resources and people ready to help you succeed. And let's not forget the transparency. YNAB provides a clear, visual representation of your budget, making it easy to see where your money is going and how you're progressing towards your goals. This clarity fosters a sense of control and accountability. Ultimately, what's truly special about YNAB is its ability to transform your relationship with money. It's not just about budgeting, it's about building a foundation for financial well-being and peace of mind. It's about creating a system that works for you, not against you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.